Hi, my name is Anika and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. We have done massive unboxing before, but this one is brought to you by specifically Qsee cameras. As usual, we will be doing a giveaway and we'll be giving all of this away, but we will be doing it differently this time. We will be picking one random person from our Patreon followers. So if you see the link down below for all the benefits of supporting us on Patreon, you'll be able to find out. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the first box over here. And let's see what we've got for you guys. So our first one is the Qsee 4K Wi-Fi camera. It's the Cube security camera. So I'm just going to read off the specs just right here as I pull this out. So it's a great camera to ensure your home or your workplace is secure. It has a two-way talk and you can put in the SD card for local storage. Let me just, terrible multitasker. My great nails here don't let me do anything. There we go. Their night vision can see in total darkness up to 30 feet away, and it works with your Alexa. The link I put down below is for the 2-pack, and it is only $250. So we're going to be giving one of these away to you guys. Now, the next one that we have here, let's see which Qsee camera we have. All right, so we have the 1080p Wi-Fi outdoor camera with the spotlight and the siren. And it's designed for your entryway and can be mounted indoors or outdoors with the 2 wall mounts. Let me show you guys right here. So in here we have the wall mounts. So this one is one that connects and screws right into it. And we also have a separate wall mount as well. And then we have our camera, and we have our siren and our light. And then let me just read out this part to you. So this is the entry cam, and now you can alert intruders that are being recorded, and you can use the bright spotlight or the loud siren. All recordings can be saved locally to the SD card, which is right at the bottom here somewhere. You have to just pull this out. And it has night vision and can be used with the Alexa or the Google Home as well. So that's what makes that one unique, the siren and the light. Now we have our last Qsee camera right over here. Now, if you guys want to learn more, we do have the links down below on all of this, so make sure you guys check that video out. Or whoever wins this wants to learn more about it, you can install it. 1080p Wi-Fi Cube camera, and this is the Mini. So it provides night vision to see what's happening in pitch dark up to 32 feet away. All recordings can be saved to a local SD card, so no monthly fee is needed. It has a 2-way talk, so you can hear what's going on, and it works with the Alexa and Google Home, and it's a great choice for only $40. I want to ask you guys what you guys think of our massive tech unboxing. Leave a comment down below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best of luck. If you found it useful, please share this video with someone, or if you want someone else to win this with you, share it. You can also see our latest videos here on the right, and make sure if you yet haven't subscribed, you guys do subscribe so you can enter into our future giveaways. Follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and don't forget to check us out on HomeAutomationX.com. Happy winning, guys!